In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a listing in Depop. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Depop website. Once you're there, sign in to your Depop account so you can access your seller tools and active items. After logging in, click on your profile icon. From there, open your listings area, which may appear as My Listings or Selling, depending on what version you see. This is where you'll find all of your active items. Browse through your listings and select the item you want to boost, then open that listing's details page. On the listing page, look for an option labeled Boost Listing or Promote. If that option is available for the item, click it to begin. Depop may then show you a summary explaining how boosted listings work. Take a moment to read through the details carefully, especially any information about selling fees or extra commission. This is important because the additional charge usually applies only if the boosted listing leads to a sale. Before moving forward, make sure your listing meets Depop's eligibility requirements. If everything looks good, choose the option to enable boosted listing promotion. Then review the fee information one more time so you understand exactly how the promotion works and when charges apply. When you're ready, click confirm or start boosting. After that, wait for the confirmation message that tells you your listing has been boosted successfully. Once you see that, return to your listings page and verify that the boosted status is now showing on the item. That quick check helps make sure the promotion is active. From there, keep an eye on the listing's performance by monitoring views, likes, and sales from your seller dashboard. Boosting can help increase visibility, but the quality of your listing still matters a lot. To give it the best chance of performing well, update it with high-quality photos, a clear and accurate description, and relevant keywords that help shoppers find it more easily. You should also adjust your pricing if needed to stay competitive with similar items on the platform. Small improvements like better images, stronger wording, or a more appealing price can make a boosted listing work even better. If you decide later that you no longer want to promote the item, open the listing again and turn off the boost listing option. After that, continue checking your listing's performance regularly and update it when needed to maximize visibility and improve your chances of making a sale.